Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Today we've got a 2022 Mitsubishi Pajero Sport in our Gold Coast store for a custom dyno tune. But before I go on, make sure you subscribe to the Ultimate Diesel Tuning YouTube channel. So we can't wait to tune this one for the customer, but before we do that, we need to get it in the workshop and do the all-important pre-tune inspection. This is a vital part of the tuning procedure here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. This inspection is to ensure the engine is in good condition, all fluid levels are good, and there are no fluid leaks. Even if it is brand new, like this one, we still carry out the inspection just in case. The inspection on the Pajero Sport has now been completed. As expected, it's all good to go. So it's time to put it on the dyno for the custom dyno tune. This Pajero Sport is predominantly used as a daily driver. It doesn't really go off-road, but it does tow a small fishing boat as well. So what the owner is after is more power and torque, as well as better drivability. As you can see, it is totally standard with no extra weight on board. So with the tune, we're going to be focusing on accomplishing his goals, as well as taking into consideration what the vehicle's being used for. First of all, for our custom dyno tuning procedure, we carry out power runs on our all-wheel drive dyno in standard form to get base power and torque figures at the wheels. This is how we know which vital information and figures we are starting off with for each vehicle, as every engine is different. We also test to confirm the engine is running properly with no underlying mechanical issues, and then we carry out the custom dyno tune. Our tuning process involves altering the software within the vehicle's factory ECU. Using our specialist software, our engineering team is able to carry out recalibration of numerous engine control parameters, such as torque limiting, desired torque, fuel injection maps, boost control, and many more. Via the use of our dyno, we can accurately test these software changes to each individual car whilst data logging the engine's performance after each software revision. This process sees multiple tunes tested until optimized power and torque is achieved based on the vehicle's use. It's truly a customized tuning process. So we've now completed the custom dyno tune on the Pajero Sport. Let's take a look at the results. When we first ran the Pajero Sport up, it had 101 kilowatts of power and 325 newton meters of torque at the rear tyres. After we completed the custom dyno tune, it went up to 127 kilowatts of power and 411 newton meters of torque. This was a 26% increase in peak power and 26% increase in peak torque, which will be really noticeable for the owner, which is chasing better drivability. Well guys, another Pajero Sport custom dyno tune by us at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Won't the owner notice a difference with less turbo lag, better drivability, and such an improvement in torque? So if you're looking to improve your performance of your diesel vehicle, this is what we specialise in here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. So give us a call, speak to one of our diesel experts, or drop into one of our performance centres in Brisbane, Gold Coast and Melbourne. And remember, we do have a dealer network all around Australia, but make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube.